This is the scene after the latest storm, which is pretty brutal. But it is a nice day. I'm gonna get this shoveled. Well, some of it anyway. Look how high this is. I think we got close to a foot in this last downfall. Look how pretty that looks though. Alright. Winter living. And this is how it looks at my neighbors. We got a lot of snow. And gonna go see my other neighbor's place and tackle her walkway. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Yeah, doable. Look at the height of these snowbanks. Crazy. So this is what I'm tackling this snow with. And if I was reviewing it, so it's, what is it? It's a Greenworks 120 volt, 13 amp electric. The cord is kind of annoying. I think I'd prefer a gas powered one. This is my neighbor's little machine. This is her walkway. And I mean, it's getting through it. Look, there's a lot of snow here. You do have to, I feel like I'm beating the crap out of it is the only thing. It's lightweight, which is good, has its advantages for easy maneuverability, but it doesn't have enough weight behind it to really get through the snow. So you really have to ram it into the snowpack. And honestly, I feel like I'm gonna break it. It's all plastic. Even the blade on it is plastic. So I mean, I can't be too gentle. Like I want to get through this. So anyways, all in all, it's doing the job. I mean, I've done this much. But yeah, it's happening. Okay, break's over. Look at this awesome view. So I guess it's not such a bad little snow thrower after all. I mean, it got through it. Probably not made for this thickness, but it got through it. Have to kind of go in 2 shots. So getting it up on top of the snow first to get it down a bit. So in 2 layers, in other words, which is easy enough to do because it's light, like I said. So just popping it up on top of the snow and chipping away at it that way is the only way. But it worked out, so it's a pretty tough little machine considering. I'm going to go back and do another pass here, but that's that.